finances are important and we have to support ourselves, family, safety, security, but a Harvard study that has been following people for about 80 some years at this point showed that finances and wealth is not what truly makes people happy. What truly makes people happy as a result of this amazing study were relationships with individuals, with participation in your community. So of course finances are important, and it provides us security and safety, and we provide for our families, and we all need a roof over our head, and we need to eat. But just know that if you're striving for just financial wealth, or you feel as though that's gonna lead to happiness, unfortunately, it truly doesn't, and that's what the data supports. So if you're looking for happiness, you're not gonna find it in wealth, you're gonna find it in relationships, and genuine relationships in your community and with your family, and time well spent with those individuals.